How's it going, guys? It's Josh here, welcome back to the channel. So a bit of a random video today, this one. I've got a couple of things to do. One, it's kind of going to be like a channel update because there's a few things that I really want to speak to you guys about. And the second is we're going to do the Q&A that I was supposed to do like a month ago, but I didn't do it because I was ill. So yeah, let's get to it. So first of all, channel update. There's a few things that have happened recently. You might have noticed I've got a new channel banner, so hopefully it looks better than the last one. Shout out to Ginger Graphic Design for sorting me out with this. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'll drop a link to them in the description if you want to use them. Second update, this space has changed a lot recently. Like, it's actually changed twice in the past, I'd say 3 to 6 months. So I'd say about 4 months ago, I redid the setup. So I got like a new table, went to IKEA and set all my lights up and stuff like that in this corner. But yeah, I've still been experimenting and trying to get like the best shot possible and try and getting the lighting right because I've still got no idea what I'm doing, guys. So I've got a new light. It's like a softbox thing. It's pretty cool. Hopefully the picture looks a little bit better, and I've also changed the camera angle as well, so hopefully that looks good. And also, I've got a new mic. I was using shotgun mics before, like I've had a couple. I've had one from Tacstar, which was quite a cheap one, but it was decent quality, and also like a Rode one as well. But I've never really been happy with how they sounded. I think because you can't get them super close to you. I've tried boom polling it and stuff, but I just can't get a good sound out of them. But yeah, I've opted for this lav mic. It's a Sennheiser one, and I think it sounds a lot better. I'm kind of happy with it. Let me know how that sounds in the comments, guys. So second thing we're going to do is the Q&A. Now, I just wanted to say thank you first to everybody that left a nice comment or a question on that 10,000 subscriber vid. I had tons of people saying congratulations and things like that, and just stuff that really helps to keep me motivated. So yeah, I just want to say I appreciate you guys. Let's start the Q&A. So how did you get into making YouTube videos? It's a good question, that one. Everyone asks that, don't they? So I always used to just watch tech YouTubers. Like if I was ever going to buy like a new product or something or a smartphone, I'd always hop onto YouTube, see what people had to say about it. And yeah, one day I just thought I'd love to be able to do that as well. I love using technology, and I thought if I can give my thoughts and opinions on it and it helps someone, then great. So yeah, I just started it. Next question, do you want YouTube to be your main job in the future? Yeah, I'd love that. That would be awesome. I'll answer another question as well at the same time. If you didn't already know, my main job at the moment is a guitar teacher. So obviously I teach people the guitar, which I love doing. But if the opportunity ever came to do YouTube full time, then yeah, I'd love to do that because I love making videos for you guys. What have you been doing lately, like special sponsors or anything the past year? Like I said before, 2018 was pretty bad, guys. Like I think I only uploaded, did I count? 11 or 12 videos, and already I think we've already uploaded like 10 videos just in January and February 2019. So yeah, last year wasn't great, but no, nothing particularly special in the past year. Are you going to start uploading more content on YouTube this year? Oh yeah, definitely. Hopefully you can tell that I've uploaded more so far. What is your dream car? That's a good one. Probably, like if I could get any car right now, it'd probably be the Mercedes C63 AMG, the new one that is. Yeah, I just love the look of it. Looks pretty awesome. What kind of advice would you give to a guy that wants to make his own YouTube channel, gaming and tech related? Yeah, good question. As silly as it sounds, just start uploading. Grab your smartphone, film some content and upload it. That's the only way to get started, really, I think. I think some people, because the level of video quality on YouTube is so high nowadays, like production quality is just insane on some channels, I think you can kind of get intimidated and think like, unless you have the best equipment, then nobody's going to watch you. But I don't think that's true, because if you look at my old videos, they were terrible. I mean, check out the video quality and the audio quality especially. They were just so bad. But I mean, you guys still watch them. So yeah, don't let fancy equipment and having to save up for stuff like that hold you back from making videos. Just do it and see where it takes you. Where have you learned what you know about shooting videos? The quality of your content is lit. Thank you, but I still have no idea what I'm doing, honestly. Like, I just watch YouTube videos and like about lighting and cameras and stuff like that to try and get the best shot possible. But yeah, I still don't know what I'm doing. If you compare my old videos to now, obviously they're better now. I'd just say you kind of just learn on the job and you learn what works and what doesn't. And feedback as well really helps, because before, when I used to post videos in the beginning, someone was like, oh yeah, your audio quality is rubbish. And to me, like, I was like, sounds all right, doesn't it? How's it going, guys? But yeah, your guys' feedback really helps as well. So always keep them coming. What's your favorite game? Oh, that's a tricky one. Last year, probably Subnautica. I was a bit late playing that. I only just played it last year, but yeah, I really enjoyed that. That was really good. The game I play most is probably Rocket League. I always hop on probably every evening with some mates on Discord and have a few games. I like that because it's the sort of game you can just hop in and out of, so it's pretty easy. And other than that, anything that's kind of first person and like survival I enjoy, and Forza Horizon 4 I'm playing a lot at the moment with the racing wheel. What headphones do you use on the daily? At the moment, the Corsair Void wireless headphones in white. I only really bought them because they were wireless and white. I've never really fallen in love with them. Like, they're not very noise isolating and the sound quality isn't the best, but yeah, I'm going to be upgrading them soon anyway. Are you going to post gameplays? Not on this channel, but I mean, if enough people ask, then maybe I might make a second channel or do like a live stream maybe sometime. Yeah, just let me know. Do you think AI will conquer the world? Hopefully not. What camera do you use? At the moment, the Panasonic G7. It's a 4K mirrorless camera. They're pretty cheap as well, especially for a 4K camera. It's around £500 I think I paid for it. But yeah, if you buy like a Canon or something, you have to go into the thousands to get 4K with them, I believe. But yeah, it's been good so far. The only thing I'm not keen on is the autofocus. Like, I just don't trust it for videos like this, so have to go manual focus. But apart from that, yeah, can't really complain about the image quality. Yeah, it's pretty good. What are the components of your PC? GTX 1080, i5, and 16 gigs of RAM. We'll be getting an i7 or an i9 very soon because video editing is becoming quite difficult with 4K footage and an i5. What is your favourite part of doing YouTube? Honestly, it's you guys, easily. Whenever I upload a video or something and one of you says like a nice comment or things like that, it just really makes your day. Like, to think that somebody has taken time out of their day to leave a nice comment is just mind-blowing. So yeah, I just love interacting with you guys as well. So yeah, always feel free to have a chat in the comment section with me. What tech brand has always impressed you, never let you down? Probably Anker. They make really good power banks and cables and Bluetooth speakers. And yeah, I've never really been disappointed with anything that I've bought from them. Studio office setup tour behind the scenes. It sounds like a question to me or a request, so yeah, I can definitely do that for you guys. Like I said at the beginning of the video, a lot has changed in the kind of filming space, so yeah, I'd love to do another tour for you guys. I'll get making it. Is triple monitor worth it? Just uploaded a video on that, so if you've not seen it, go check it out. Who is your favourite YouTuber? Good question. I don't really have a favourite one. Like, I tend to watch a bit of everyone. I think every tech YouTuber brings their own little kind of thing to the table. So yeah, I just like to watch a bit of everyone, to be honest. So there we go. I hope I've answered some of your guys' questions. Sorry I didn't get a chance to answer them all. If I didn't get a chance to answer it this time, I'll try and put it into like a future Q&A. But yeah, there was a lot of questions, so thank you for them. Once again, thank you for all the support, guys. Really do appreciate it. Got lots more content coming for you guys, so stay tuned. And I'll catch you all in the next one.